Welcome back to Valley of Greens, the channel where we uncover the hidden stories behind modern agriculture. Have you ever imagined a reptile farming industry generating hundreds of millions of dollars a year? We're not talking about Hollywood or high-tech startups. This is the booming world of crocodile farming in the United States. Today we'll step into a fascinating, mysterious world where prehistoric creatures like alligators are now raised as a premium source of luxury leather and gourmet meat. If you're intrigued by this topic, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below so we can continue exploring the hidden corners of the global farming world together. Once feared as dangerous swamp predators, alligators are now seen as green gold by farmers across the American South. In states like Florida, Louisiana, and Texas, warm and humid climates create the perfect natural habitat for alligator farming. Florida alone produces over 70% of the national supply, with hundreds of farms operating year-round. But here's the twist. These reptiles are no longer just local legends. They're part of a thriving global luxury market, with skins exported to France, Italy, and Japan. A single crocodile leather bag can fetch tens of thousands of dollars. Forget what you think you know. Raising crocodiles is far from simple. Every breeding season, farm workers venture into the wild to collect eggs from natural nests, a dangerous and delicate job. The eggs are then placed in incubators that simulate natural sandy environments, maintaining temperatures between 82 and 88 degrees Fahrenheit and humidity levels of 70 to 90%. Once hatched, the baby alligators are transferred to climate-controlled tanks where light, humidity, noise, and temperature are all meticulously regulated. A veterinarian explains, the first 6 months are absolutely critical. One small mistake in diet or environment can ruin the animal's development and final quality. Think crocodiles only eat raw meat? Think again. On farms, young gators are fed a nutritionally balanced mix of ground chicken, fish, or beef, enriched with vitamins and minerals to promote steady growth. As they mature, feeding shifts to 3 or 4 times per week, mirroring their natural patterns in the wild. Why does it matter? Because nutrition directly impacts meat tenderness and skin quality. The smoother the skin, the higher the market value. The better the meat, the more restaurants are willing to pay. At top-tier farms, you'll often find 1 or 2 full-time veterinarians monitoring the gator's health. From skin conditions and parasites to respiratory function and stool analysis, these experts ensure every alligator meets the strictest quality and welfare standards. Farms that invest in advanced veterinary care can raise skin value by up to 30%, securing long-term contracts with global luxury brands. After 4 to 5 years, when the gators reach 8 to 10 feet in length and weigh over 450 pounds, they are ready for harvest. The process begins with humane capture and precision skinning using specialized tools. One small scratch can devalue the hide by thousands of dollars. Meat, especially from the tail and legs, is expertly processed, packaged, and flash frozen to retain freshness. In the southern United States, gator meat is a delicacy, grilled, fried, or made into sausages, with a taste that's often compared to chicken or fish. A chef in New Orleans says, "Cajun alligator sausage is the heart of Mardi Gras. Spicy, juicy, unforgettable." The U.S. alligator industry isn't just surviving, it's thriving internationally. Luxury fashion houses clamor for high-quality hides, while gourmet chefs across Asia and the Middle East are introducing gator meat to new diners. Even better, the industry is moving towards sustainable farming. Renewable energy systems, water recycling, and ethical harvesting are becoming standard, ensuring long-term growth without damaging ecosystems. So what do you think? Is crocodile farming a glimpse into the future of high-value, niche agriculture? Can ancient reptiles become modern industry champions? Share your thoughts in the comments. Have you ever tasted gator meat? What surprised you most about this farming process? And if you enjoyed this deep dive, please like, subscribe, and share this video. It helps us bring more untold farming stories from around the globe right to your screen. Thanks for joining us on this journey into America's booming alligator farming industry. Next time, we'll uncover how rice, potatoes, coffee, or even Himalayan honey find their way from farms to factories and onto your table. See you in the next episode of Valley of Greens. Take care.